Recording today's video in the dark is reminiscent of really how I feel right now. I feel like how so many of us feel right now. It's summertime, it's hot, things are going, but you're still in your like fall, winter, even spring, like your productivity mode, like that time of the year, those seasons where you are very focused. And although it's hot outside, it's summer, things are happening, people are inviting you everywhere. You may feel lonely, and you may also have the feeling that you may be being a little bit selfish because you are so focused on getting to your light. And when you're in the like actual darkness, right? Like I'm in the dark. Okay, so it looks dark on the camera, but it's not like pitch black night. Well, you don't know that because it's dark. But from what I see the light. But from what you see, from your point of view, it looks like I'm in the dark and Miss Ma'am needs to go home and like be safe, right? Hopefully that's what you wish for me, my safety. No, but in all honesty, like you're walking through like a metaphorical tunnel and it's just you don't hear anything and it's dark. You know that if you go back, you know what you're going to get. And you know what you want to get, so you're going forward and you're taking these steps on a day-to-day basis. But you have every logical reason, experience, wisdom, common sense, spidey sense, like you have every logical reason to return because what's in front of you is just pitch black darkness, right? None of what you're doing makes sense. You don't have the experience, but you have yourself anchored into one commitment. And that one commitment is that I'm going to keep going. I'm never going to quit. I'm going to keep going. I'm never going to quit, right? You know what it means to quit. You know what it means to change paths and just shut things down with actual excuses that are valid. You know what it's like to quit on yourself. You know what it's like to abandon your ideas. You know what it's like for others that you care about to abandon their idea. You saw them go from spark to shutting down. So you know what the feeling and the thought and the actual experience of quitting yourself is, but you have decided to keep going and never to quit on yourself. First and foremost, I don't care if where you are is dark. I want you to applaud yourself just for getting this far. You have never gotten this far before, and you will never ever see this distance if you go back. Okay, you won't see a step further what it's like to go back, right? So for me, my light is my success in the different areas of my life that I'm currently working on, right? And so some may come before, some definitely will come at different times before the other. However, who I am becoming weighs way more than this darkness that I'm currently in. Now, it may seem crazy, but when you do something that only you, like you have the vision for, and the people around you may not understand because they are used to you being a certain way, none of this makes sense. Girl, why you recording at nighttime? None of this makes sense to you. But to me, it makes complete sense to me, all right? What you see is my darkness, I see light. What you see is something unsafe for me, I see opportunity that's going to not just benefit me, but benefit others. So if you're in a place in your life right now and it's dark, no one understands you, but you've committed to keep going, you've committed to not quitting, you are building more momentum in your life. I'm going to have to break this to you, but the people around you are more than not, 9 times out of 10, are not going to be the ones that's going to go on the ride with you, understand you, right? And they're going to try to convince you otherwise, not because they are haters or jealous, although some may be, but because they care for you and they want what they think is best, right? Remember, if you are returning, watching my videos, thank you so much for coming back. But if you're new here, this looks crazy, right? My name is Spivey J. On my channel, I talk about mindset mastery so we can transform our life, so we can get more fulfillment out of this life, right? And so I talk a lot about neuroscience, psychology, and just like how it plays a direct role in how we operate. And then how we can fix it, right? Because we're not broken people, but there are just areas that need to be addressed so that we can transform our lives in our desirable way. Our brains are wired like old software. They are wired to keep us safe. except we are no longer living in jungles on the edge trying to survive on a day-to-day basis. Y'all seen the movie The Croods with your kids? It's like this animated movie, right? Our brain just now recognizes threats as like newness, right? Us going off of our routine, going off the beaten path, doing something new. But at the same time that your brain is trying to protect you by to convince you to go back to doing what you were doing before, it's also simultaneously building new neural pathways so that the actions that you're taking and the thoughts that you're creating and repeating over and over create new neural pathways as the evidence that what you're doing is safe. So it's like two things that conflict happening at the same time. So you have to have a level of strength, of mental strength and fortitude and relentlessness. You can do this with masculine energy, but I highly suggest you do this with feminine energy because it's the energy of receiving, right? The other energy is like trying to force and push your way through. The masculine energy is forceful in pushing your way through, which definitely works. But imagine if you just flowed and still got it with ease. Okay, so that's what this is all about. This is about you trusting yourself and building that momentum in your life by continuing to go forward, despite the fact that what other people see is literal complete darkness. What you see is what matters. Now, whatever you choose, do it safely, right? Do it safely. But at the same time, you have to trust yourself. You have to trust your judgment. And the way to trust yourself and to trust your judgment is to keep making decisions for your greater good and then reflect on the outcome. Because then you'll have the evidence to say, actually, I am a great decision maker. Actually, I am really good at having this internal or maternal instinct, this intuition that guides me into the right direction. This is not manifestation woo-woo. This is you being you so that you can grow. All right? Manifestation is great, but we have to couple it with action. The action being going forward. So yes, today's video is, metaphorically speaking, I'm in the dark actually, but you see darkness, I see the light. And as a matter of fact, I see the horizon as the sun has set on these beautiful clouds that are peach and the sky is still blue. That's what I see. And that's for me, and that's for anyone that's choosing to build a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. It's for you to see, for you to experience. So I'm really excited for your journey. I know that what you're doing is hard and it may feel lonely, but today's video's purpose is to serve as your reminder to keep on going, okay? Keep on going. All right? So this is actually my view right now, right? I'm in the darkness while recording today's video, but this is the light that I see. This is the light that I see that you couldn't see while I was recording today's video. So this just goes to show you that don't worry about what other people see when you're when they see darkness. This is what you see and this is what matters. Now, like I said, I'm still doing this safely, but at the same time, the message had to be, and I didn't darken anything. Like I'm literally in like the woodsy area, but this is just the absolute perfect metaphor to show you that your vision is not other people's sight. So keep going, you got this. I truly appreciate you for being here today. In the meantime, in between time, my name is Spivey J, and I really do hope you have a beautiful day. All right, peace.
You're beautiful. I hope you know that. I hope you know that.
I did not realize how dark it was. Oh my God, I did not realize how dark it was. How am I gonna record today's video? Like, can I possibly bring it? Can y'all see me? No, you can't. Would this be really creepy if I recorded a video like this? Like, why did I not bring my flashlight? What was I thinking? If I add highlighter, did you see me? It's freaking hot. It's hot. Oh my God. Okay, so what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm gonna record today's video in the dark because that's what I'm gonna talk about. How about that? All right.